Keep staying the rain, keep staying the pain. Feel what I'm saying? Know why I ran. I made the same mistakes too many times, can't go again. I let you in, my heart was healing, now it's torn again. I'm a grown man, I got kids to raise. I stopped looking for love, cause they in my face. Got us out some boy into a better place. And no more will I be to blame for your bad days. You got some bad ways, you turned your back on me twice. Some things will never change. Now tell me, can you stand the rain? Can you stand the pain? Can you stand there while your mother put your name to shame? Can't control me no more, cause I'm not a game. I was asleep as a child, but I woke from this dream. I don't believe in fairy tales, cause it's all cap. I would've gave you more support than your own back. Let's take it back, way back, talking 91. I ain't asked to be here, but here I come. I stood in the rain, I fought through the pain. I had to change while my family members stayed the same. Now I'm the one that's out of pocket and that's fucked up. We all get tired some days, so enough is enough. Done with it. Enough is enough. We all get tired some days, so enough is enough. Feel me?